Y'all, it's Beth again. On week 4, we're continuing our schedule of Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday deadlines. The Wednesday and Friday being the forum as usual, with Wednesday being when you start a new discussion topic, and Friday when you respond to 2 of your classmates. Now this week we're going to be looking at May in particular as a character who supports Egger's argument about social media. Many of you used May in your character analysis, and that's fine. That's fine, but all of you know a lot about her since she is the main character after all. I want to talk a little bit about your larger assignment, your larger written assignment due on Sunday. This time it's going to be a revision of the character analysis that you wrote for me last week. Now, I'm looking for revision very literally, not a correction. I want it to go beyond just responding to my comments. I want you to actually rethink your paper. How do you make it better? Use my comments as a jumping off place, of course, but revision skills are incredibly important in writing. This is what turns a good paper into a great paper, an average paper into a good paper. And while you're still in school, it can make the difference of a letter grade. So you really, really, really want to make sure you don't turn in your first draft of any paper to any teacher at all. You want to revise, proofread, and figure out how to do it. That's what we're going to be working on really, really closely this week. You'll see, I've got you the Moodle page right now, and I'm going down. You'll see I've given you lots of resources here. I've given you a general thing of how do you revise and edit your writing. I've given you a list of FAQs that I have found in your work up to this point. And then I've given you things that I am seeing that are really important, the use of the apostrophe, and as always, run-on sentences and comma splices. So I've also done a video specifically about revision. And as I said, I recorded it last summer when I taught this course. It's still good. It's still relevant. I still believe everything I said in that. One thing I want to say is I am going to grade your papers as soon as I possibly can. I kind of promise you that I'll get them back to you by Wednesday night. I have a pretty full schedule on Monday. But I will get them back to you as soon as I possibly can so that you will have as long as possible to do your revision. For this week, if you want to extend the deadline for the revision, I want to make sure you've got plenty of time because this is super important. Please just email me and tell me I need more time. And that will be fine because unfortunately I can only grade one paper at a time. Some of you will, I'm sorry, be the last papers I grade. So I don't want you to be put at a disadvantage from your fellow classmates. I'm sure nobody would want that. So let me know if there's a problem, and always let me know if I can help you with the revision in any way.